In this video, I'm going to show you how to see a heat map in TradingView. Now, the first thing you want to do, if you're currently inside any of your charts, you can go to the top left and click on your profile icon and then click on the home button. This is going to take you to a separate tab to their basic website over here, so to the home tab. And then in here, what you want to do is hover over products, then you want to hover over screeners, and down here under heat maps, you can see you have the heat maps. So we have one for stocks, you have one for ETFs, and one for crypto coins as well, okay? I'm gonna open all of them in a separate tab. You can just click on any of them and they're gonna open. So this is gonna be your stock heat map over here. This is gonna be the ETF heat map when it loads for me. There we go. And this over here is the cryptocurrency heat map, okay? So that's how this works. And of course, now you can go and analyze it. You can see everything regarding it. You could go and of course filter up top. You could zoom in, zoom out, etc. Okay? So that's how to see the heat map. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.